In this internship, I have learned a lot of in data science concepts and courses contents, and This internship started with the phase of introduction of data science, and started to explain what's data science, etc. And it the classes were conducted from the start end to end data science process, that is starting from data set examination of some data set to interpret to how to pre-processing techniques that are necessary to be applied for a greater interpretation, etc. The complete roadmap to become a data science expert is being taught in this internship, and real-time experience and hands-on practice is being gained through the real-time use cases of data science that are being taught in this internship. And it is being explained by the example test cases, etc. and and the difference between data science AI and data analytics is being clearly well said at the end, at the end phase of this internship. And this internship also motivates us. That's how programming is important to deal with data, and how to easily crack an interview with our coding skills, etc.